The beautiful thing about the currency market is that it's 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Australia's session opens right around 4 or 5 Central Standard Time, but then also the Japanese session opens as well. And so there are opportunities. What I want to do is actually bring on a chart that I'm looking at, which is Australia USD, and we're going to be looking at a correlation of how it is with gold as well. So let's just kind of go and dive into it and see what you guys think. I'm going to move this around. Please pay attention. Now, the blue line up here is gold, right? And so we're noticing that the gold movement is moving in the same correlation with the Australian dollar because a lot of times it's tied to it. So when gold is up, the Australian dollar will be up as well. And so when we start seeing that fluctuation and correlation, we want to go out there and see what could be the best possibility for some options in this. So check this out right quick. I'm going to pull this up right quick. I'm going to draw some zones out. What I'm looking at is this zone right here. Okay. And then we have a zone at the bottom right here as well. You guys see that? Now, there's a lot of white space right quick here. And so in that, I'm looking for that to be an area where we pay attention to. Now, when I say white space is the first time you've been listening to me, it's basically an area that we haven't been to for a while. But if we look at this setup, and this is a daily time frame, we're noticing that buyers came right around this area and notice how it dropped and shot back up. Now, also, if I was to draw a line out here, and I'm just doing this just on the gold side, notice that it's trending to the downside, right? And so as we're looking for this, we definitely want to put ourselves in position to find some of the best entries. Now, I'm going to zoom into the 30-minute, and what I basically want to do is find out what area of entry could I get into this if possibly this would make some sense, okay? So check this out. I'm going to draw something called a fixed range volume profile. I'm going to go from a swing low right here all the way over, and boom, I see that we're having a sell-off right quick as well. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, when I spot an opportunity, I don't sleep on it. I can't tell you what to do, but I know when I take my setups and I see them every single time, I take them every time. Let's go deeper. So if we look at the bottom of this edge, one or two things are going on right quick as well. We have right here, there's an edge where the volume was, and another edge right quick here as well. You guys see that? Notice that right up quick here, we had a little bit of some consolidation, and this consolidation was a setup for a break, retest, and then a drop. So if you're looking at this particular position, you should have a bias towards the downside with a stop right above here, just in case we have a retrace and it goes back up. So what do you mean? If the market happens to shoot past this point, I'm out. However, we've been there, but we can get a pretty good drop right quick as well if we just follow the script on this one. Let me do one other thing. I'm going to look to see if I was to short this position, what could be my potential take profit. And so if I just went right here to the bottom of that area and I put my stop right quick as well, that's about 1 to 1.75, which isn't bad. Or if you brought that in a little quick as well, you could literally have a nice one where you have a 6-to-1 risk to reward ratio if you're willing to move your stop right in this area right quick here as well. Something to think about, right? So I'll take those risks all day long because it's more of a calculated risk and it's showing us what's possible. The good thing about this gold correlation is that as gold is moving, we can see that the market is following that. So check this out right quick as well. I'm getting a lot more details where we see sudden drops, market bouncing back and forth, retesting. And again, we're getting lower lows, lower highs, which is showing us that perhaps that the market wants to go down from that. So didn't want to be too long on this one. Hopefully this helps you out a little bit. But there's opportunities. You have to be able to seize these opportunities. And again, it doesn't take long once you've practiced and you know what you're doing. So it's been Coach Brian King. Thanks for watching. God bless. I do want to say as well, if you guys want to learn, we have some exciting stuff that's coming down. And I'm excited about it because we're always looking to build a community where you're not just giving trades, you're learning, you're working with other traders, we're building community, we're connecting, and truly it's about the kingdom. Let's just be very real about this assignment. It's not about making the money, it's about getting the freedom to do what God created you to do. So with that being said, be blessed on purpose. M3, mindset, multiplication, and management. It's been Coach Brian King. Thank you.